Crayons and pencils are tools, not toys. When we treat them kindly, they help our ideas shine.
Got it! Tools, not toys.
These help us learn and draw amazing pictures. We have to treat them with respect so they can help us every day.
Okay. Oh, my crayon.
This fox squeezes too hard and the crayon breaks. When we use supplies gently, they last longer.
Rest your fingers like this. Gentle pressure, let the pencil glide.
Like this?
Careful hands show responsibility.
I'll be careful.
You're learning every day. Grow and glow.